the ground begins to shake, you know it's an earthquake. Houses rock to and fro. When you feel it happen, you know you gotta go, bro. What causes earthquakes? Look deep underground. Big pieces of rock move all around. Most earthquakes happen along the coast. If you don't know how to survive one, you'll be toast. How do you stay safe from one of these? Make sure you don't get hit by falling debris. After an earthquake, workers look for survivors. They dig people out like deep sea divers. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed. Now you know earthquakes you should really avoid.